Have you ever heard the term, Arctic blast, and wondered what it means? In simple terms, it's a weather phenomenon that is caused by a large, cold air mass moving from the Arctic region into other parts of the world. But did you know that there are some interesting points about Arctic blasts that make them unique weather events? During the winter months, a large pool of cold air sits over the Arctic region, which is typically sealed off from the rest of the world by a circular band of winds known as the polar vortex. However, sometimes this polar vortex can weaken or shift, allowing the cold air to spill out into other regions. This creates an Arctic blast, which can bring bone-chilling cold temperatures and snow to areas not used to such weather. Arctic blasts can be particularly dangerous for those who are not used to such extreme temperatures. They can lead to frostbite and hypothermia, and can also cause pipes to freeze and power outages due to increased demand for heating. What makes Arctic blasts unique is that they can occur in areas that are not typically associated with cold weather. For example, in the United States, an Arctic blast can bring frigid temperatures and snow to regions in the southern and eastern parts of the country, which are not used to such weather. This can lead to chaos on the roads, as drivers are not used to driving in icy conditions. Another interesting point about Arctic blasts is that they can have a significant impact on wildlife. Animals that are not adapted to cold weather, such as birds, may struggle to find food and shelter during an Arctic blast. This can have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. While an Arctic blast can be challenging, it can also bring a sense of community as people come together to help each other out. From shoveling driveways to donating blankets and food to those in need, an Arctic blast can bring out the best in people. So, the next time you hear the term, Arctic blast, remember that this unique weather phenomenon can have a significant impact on people and wildlife, and can also bring out the best in human communities as they come together to help each other out. Stay warm and stay safe.